Hello everyone, this is Coach Wade and one of the credit card brokers side of the site. I will put a link in the description field of the video to bring you directly to this resource. But today we're going to take a look at the OpenSky Plus secured Visa credit card. You're pre-approved, no annual fee, keep more money in your pocket, no credit check required, 89% approval rate with zero credit risk to apply. Earn up to 10% cash back on everyday purchases. You can boost your credit score fast. 2 out of 3 OpenSky cardholders see an average increase of 47 points after 6 months. You can track your progress with free access to your FICO score in the mobile app. You can build your credit history with reporting to all 3 of the major credit bureaus. That's going to be Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Seamless payments. Add your card to Apple Pay, Google Pay, and some Samsung Pay. And you can start with as little as $300 to secure your line with a refundable security deposit. Credit needed for this particular product is going to be fair credit, good credit, bad credit, or no credit. Powerful resource. This is the OpenSky Plus secured Visa credit card. Be sure to take advantage. Again, the link will be in the description field of the video to bring you directly to this resource. Until we meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.